following. Hi you guys, it is Friday today and my sister and I were at the DHL office. As you guys can see, she has an order to send to Australia. She has an order to send there, and then so we're here to just package it and send it, and I wanted to take you guys along on it. From the DHL office and we're on our way to our sister Victory's house. That's basically all I'm doing today actually. After Victory's house, I don't plan to go anywhere else, but you know, anything can happen. Hi you guys! So today is Saturday. We're going to Wuse market first to do our nails, you know. Influencer lifestyle. My sister is paying for me, because I'm not on a salary. Anyways, so after doing our nails, I have an order for my shop. So I'm going to get the yarn I'm going to use to make the order. And you guys are going to come along with me. I don't know what else is going to happen today, but these are the things I'm sure of. So you guys, now we're going to spot to start going to Wuse. We tried to book boats, but there was no boat close to our house. For reasons we don't know, reasons we can't understand. So we're going to use along, because that is what the world wants for us today, and we're not going to fight the world. All right, see you guys in the market, in the nail place. So guys, we just got to Wuse and we're about to enter inside the market to go and do our nails. I'm so excited. I love it. And this is the entrance to Wuse market, and we'll soon go in. I just wanted to stop and film. Me likes her face. So I just finished doing my nails and I'm about to enter a boat to my house. I'm not doing anything else today. That's all. I just got home and I got a few packaging materials for my business. So to pack the orders, I got the yarn that I'm going to use to make the order. On our way to Amazon Kayak, Shebi, that's the name. Amazon, is it Kayaking? Kayaking, Jabi. You guys, we are at Jabi Park right now. And finding the Amazon kayak place was is so difficult because we've not still found it. So we just stopped at Jabi Park and then we'll try and find it. But even if we don't find it, we'll just stay here, take photos and chill.
Wow.
Oh. Very good. So we're in a boat now to be going to the Amazon kayak place. Apparently it's behind Jabi Primary School, not near the Jabi Park. So we're going there now anyways.
So I think
Look at these cute little birdies. Here they're also at the kayak place. I have no idea why. It makes no sense to me, but still, who am I? They also have fish.
you know just the same color.
That's what I was thinking.
I beg, put him. Sorry, I want this one.
No view.
No, it's your nails, isn't it?
Look, people should be looking at me, please.
Logo belt. Like the source of the water is somewhere, some kind of, I don't know, dam. I say dam.
Okay, so we're inside the kayaks now, and it's so hard to do it. My upper arms are killing me. My waist is gone, but it's super fun, and I'm it. On your marks. Get set. Ready. Go.
Where is even the finish line?
Emeka is winning, oh, Owi. Owi, you're the sporty one. Owi, don't disappoint me. We are done kayaking and it was so fun. Now boat home. Now we are done with the kayaking and everything and we are going back home. And this is the end of this vlog. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, watch my other videos on my channel.
Follow me.
Follow
on Instagram, please.
I said that, please.
Follow
me on Instagram. I'll put my page picture here. Follow Owi. Emeka, do you want to follow you on this vlog? Follow Emeka as well. Even Kachi said follow her. Just follow everybody and follow you. You guys should say bye.
Bye.
Bye.